All right, my fellow food enthusiasts. Today I'm going to take you on a culinary adventure that will make your taste buds dance. We're talking about the ultimate rack of lamb roast with potatoes and peppers. Trust me, this is one dish you'll want to master. Now let's get cracking. First things first, get your rack of lamb out of the fridge and let it come to room temperature. This is crucial because it ensures even cooking. While that's happening, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Nothing beats the aroma of a lamb roast in a toasty kitchen. On to the veggies. Grab some baby potatoes, a couple of bell peppers, and a red onion. Chop them all into bite-sized pieces, toss them in olive oil, salt, and pepper, and spread them out on a roasting tray. Simple, right? Now it's time to season our star of the show, the rack of lamb. Generously rub it with a mix of garlic, rosemary, thyme, and a hint of lemon zest. The fragrant herbs will infuse the lamb with amazing flavor as it cooks. Heat up a skillet until it's smoking hot and sear the lamb on all sides. This step locks in all those delicious juices and gives the meat a beautiful golden crust. Once seared, place the lamb on top of the veggies in the roasting tray. It's like a bed of flavor. Pop the tray into the oven and roast for about 25 minutes if you like it medium rare. If you prefer it more done, give it an extra 10 minutes. But remember, you can always cook it more, you can't cook it less. While it's roasting, the lamb's juices will mingle with the veggies, making everything taste sensational. While we wait, let's talk about a little trick called resting the meat. Once the lamb's out of the oven, cover it loosely with foil and let it rest for 10-15 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, keeping the meat tender and juicy. And there you have it, folks. A perfect rack of lamb roast with crispy potatoes and sweet peppers. Serve it up with a fresh green salad or some crusty bread, and you're in for a feast. Trust me, once you've tried this, you'll never look back. Remember, cooking is all about love and passion. So, go on, give this recipe a go and impress your family and friends. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.